If you want to set up an employee benefits portal in 10 minutes, this is the only video you need. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and by the end of this 3-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get it done. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial linked below if you want to follow along with the software I personally recommend. Here's what you're going to learn. How to build a streamlined, self-service employee benefits portal that's easy to manage, looks professional, and doesn't require a tech team. Start by signing up for the platform I've linked below. The free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne, and gives you full access, no credit card needed. Once you're in, go to your admin dashboard and select Employee Hub or Benefits Portal, depending on your software. Step 1. Add your company info and upload your logo. This makes the portal branded for your team right out of the gate. Step 2. Set up user roles. You'll want to invite your employees by email, just upload a CSV or manually add names and roles. This controls what each person can see or do inside the portal. Step 3. Add your benefits. Most portals support medical, dental, vision, 401k, HSA, commuter, and PTO. Choose the categories relevant to your team. Then either manually enter the plan info or connect to your existing providers using API integrations. Many big ones like Aetna or Blue Cross are supported. Step 4. Enable enrollment or self-service. If your goal is for employees to review and choose plans, turn on enrollment mode. Set deadlines, add plan comparisons, and allow documents to be uploaded or signed digitally right in the portal. Step 5. Automate reminders and FAQs. Under the Settings tab, you can trigger reminder emails, FAQs, and onboarding tasks to be sent automatically. This is how you make it run without you constantly stepping in. Step 6. Preview your portal. Most tools offer a test view. Open it, switch to employee mode, and double-check what your team will see. If everything looks good, hit Publish. And your employee benefits portal is live. That's it. You've just created a fully functional employee benefits portal in 10 minutes. And it's all set up to be self-service, automated, and way less of a headache come open enrollment. Now, before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. A well-set-up employee benefits portal saves you hours of admin time, reduces employee questions, and boosts satisfaction. It doesn't need to be complicated. You just need the right platform. Let's do a super quick recap. Sign up with the software in the description, add your company branding, invite employees and set permissions, add and organize your benefits, enable enrollment or self-service, set up automations and reminders, preview and publish. If you haven't already, I highly recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial linked below. It's the exact tool I used in this video, and you can follow every step alongside me for free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.